3rd, and we're going to the first mission prep class. And this is what we are going to in it. A blizzard. It's crazy.
Barely see the lights.
Yeah, you can
like
barely see the lights. It's so
see
crazy. Oh my goodness.
Well, we made it to the church safe. Look at those trees. They are covered with snow. Can you believe that? It is in March and it's a blizzard. Holy cow. It's insane. But I'm glad we made it to the church safe. And the street lights are still on. It's craziness, man. I do not like driving in a blizzard, but that's just Satan trying to stop you from getting to church.
So the class just got over. It's not snowing anymore. You can see the road, but there's still snow everywhere.
Crazy.
We probably got a foot of snow. Maybe Dad will use his snow blower and we can record it.
That'd be fun if he does. Little tire is a little flat. Then we're gonna use a snow blower. Look at that path, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's the best day ever. We finally got enough snow to use the snow blower. Woo-woo! Look at what a clean path. Oh my gosh, so nice. This is beautiful. It's like the most glorious day of my life. You turn that chute and shoot the snow back the other way. So awesome. Ooh, it is so cold. Even though it stopped snowing, it is freezing outside. Just got gas. Got Codee back there. And somewhere Emma. And we're headed down so she can get senior pictures. Right? Are you excited? She's tired. It's been a long day. So far. And
a long couple days.
Yeah, a long couple days of the dance. And now we're going to get senior pictures. It's going to be fun. I'm glad the sun came out and I'm glad the storm stopped, that's for sure. This is how you get the good shots. You gotta get down, get those snowy mountains. So pretty.
Okay, so I just want you to put your feet like this and your hands like this, and then I want you to go.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
And you gotta smile big.
Just kidding.
She's like, I don't know. Tell the wind to stop blowing. Your hair's saying, I'm gonna just blow.
Well, I mean, we want it to blow the right direction. Like, it's not bad when it blows. Oh my gosh, it just tripped on me. It's tripping on me.
Nice. There's a giant icicle. Holy cow.
Is it gonna land on my head?
Let's hope not.
Well, at least we got her laughing enough.
The giant icicle.
Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. So cute. Okay, this way. I'm gonna turn them sideways. Yeah, perfect. There you go, just like that. Yep. And then I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna get the barbershop. Turn your upper body toward me just a little bit. Put your hands further toward your pocket and then turn toward me. Too far. So back toward, no, you're turning too far this way. Yeah, there you go.
Bring your hand closer towards your
To
pocket.
your pocket. There you go. Yep, that's it. Yeah, that's cute.
What do you think the temperature is? 22 feels like 8.
It's pretty cold. It's been colder,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's pretty cold. Whew. It could be worse. I have shot things in worse cold. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Can you lean even closer to your hands? And don't bend your wrists, make them go flatter.
Bring your
you go.
face looks like it's so high up. Your chin. There you go.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, smile.
You're gonna wrap around and then pull through 2.
She's teaching you how to crochet.
You need to find the hole in the middle. Then you need to go in, wrap around, pull out, and wrap around. And keep on doing that until we go around the whole thing.
Emma, are you ready to go?
No.
What a fun day. Started out Whiteout Blizzard at church, then going to our friends and getting those awesome photos of Codee for her senior pictures that we'll be picking out our favorites to make her senior announcement for graduation. And then my great niece Emma learning how to crochet from our good friend's little girl. It was just such a fun day. We're so excited you could come along with us. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Like this video if you liked it. And we will see you in the next one. Take care.